Today I'll be showing you how to use Repost Plus. Step 1. Download and install Repost Plus. Download the app. Go to the App Store or Google Play Store and search for Repost. Download and install the app on your device. Step 2. Open Instagram. Launch the Instagram app on your phone. Navigate to the post you want to repost. This could be a photo or video of an African club dance that you want to share with your followers. Step 3. Copy the share URL. Tap the paper airplane on the corner of the post. Select Copy Link from the menu that appears. This copies the URL of the post to your clipboard. Step 4. Open Repost Plus. Open the Repost Plus app. It will automatically detect the copied link and prepare the post for reposting. Then continue to Instagram and post as a reel. The post. Add any additional hashtags or mentions you want to include. Credit the original poster. Ensure the original creator of the content is created. Step 6. Share the post. Share to Instagram. Once you are satisfied with the post, tap Repost. The app will prompt you to share the post on Instagram. Instagram will open with the post ready to be shared. You can apply any final edits or filters before sharing. Tap share to post the content on your Instagram profile.